Hi there, my name is Albert from PPC Ad Editor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a preview using the Create New RSA Ad, which stands for Responsive Search Ad. So what you're going to do is just click on this bubble here, and a window will pop up where you will fill in your URL, headlines, and description. So let's go ahead and put in our URL, ppcadeditor.com. You can put in your path here. And then for the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to do some generic headlines here. Headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, headline 4. You can add up to 15 headlines. So let's just stop at headline 5. Then enter in your descriptions. Description 1. Description 2. Here you can add up to 4 descriptions. There, simple as that. Go ahead and hit add. And there it is. So here's a preview with just one RSA ad. As you can see on the left hand side, we have 5 headlines and 4 descriptions, and then we have 6 ad variations here. And then what you can do is click on the randomize variations button, and you'll notice that all of the headlines and descriptions will change so that you can see if your headlines or descriptions will make sense next to each other. To edit, just go ahead and click the object, and then the same window will pop up, and then you can continue to edit any of the fields. Once you're happy with your RSA ad, you can go to edit mode here. You can add account level extensions, campaign level extensions, more ad groups, more campaigns, or another responsive search ad. You can also add another call ad if you wanted to, or you can add some keywords in here. Once you're happy with your ad, you can go ahead and click on share. And basically, just like a Google Doc, you're able to copy and share this secure URL. You can also adjust the permissions for that URL. So it could be viewer or read only, editor access, meaning whoever has access to the URL can edit the ad, or commenter, meaning they can only comment on the ads. And to comment on the ad, you just have to hover over the object, and then once this pops up, you click on it, and then you just add a comment. The whole object turns magenta color, and that's how you know there's a comment associated with it. Cool. Thank you for watching.